We are going to see the running unit 2, repairing injection distributor pump. The objective of distributor pump, or this reason, is to perform well repairing of injection pump and to perform the disassembling and the reassembling distributor pump. The purpose of distributor pump is to deliver high pressure to the injector at correct time. Also, you have the common injection pump used. After this distributor pump, this one, we have inline type, we have common relay type, and also you have other type called unit type. So before repairing this distributor pump, you can testing and calibrating using this injection pump tester. This injection pump tester tell you if the problem is the losing pressure or there is component has damage. If you don't find the standard data, you can check if the problem is the component damage. You can take this pump to disassembling. So before disassembling, we have tools here, help us in this work. And we have this device for holding our pump for disassembling and reassembling. So we are going to start disassembling. We are going to see the whole procedure when you are disassembling distributor pump, mechanical one. You mount the pump on the bench vise. After mounting the pump, we remove the key from the driver shaft, removing the key. After removing the key, we mark the control lever and the lever shaft before removing. After marking control lever and the lever shaft, we remove the control lever, remove the hexagon nut with 10 socket spanner. After removing control lever, you check the spring tensioner. After checking spring tensioner, you remove the accessories. After removing the accessories, you remove the governor cover and the control shaft. That is the governor cover. And remove the control shaft and the gasket. Control shaft and the spring. Then remove the solenoid valve with 24 millimeter wrench. Then remove the nut on the governor shaft using 5 Allen key to hold the shaft in place. And remove the governor shaft and the fry weight assembly. And remove the governor shaft and the fry weight assembly. Driver shaft, governor, fry weight assembly. Then remove the delivery valve holder. Remove the delivery valve holder. Delivery valve spring also and the washers. Delivery holder, spring and washers. Delivery valve holder, and we arrange sequentially. Don't mix the component. After, remove the center plug using special socket. Center plug using special socket. Then loosen the screws from distributor head. Loosen the screws for distributor head. After remove distributor head, take out the plunger. After removing distributor head, the pin and spring pressure, you remove the plunger. Remove the plunger, springs, shims, and the guide pins. Then remove the governor link using a special socket for a governor board. And lose the board. And remove governor link. Then remove the cam plate. Then remove the spring and the coupling. And then remove the timer cover using Allen key 5 mm spanner. After remove timer cover, remove clip. After removing the timer cover, you remove the clip. Remove the clip for the pin, the clip, and remove the stopper pin. Then sliding pin. Then loosening the timer piston. Then remove the roller holder. That is the roller holder. Don't mixing the rollers. Then remove the timer piston. Timer piston. Then remove the driver shaft. Driver shaft. After removing driver shaft, remove the feed pump screws. Feed pump screws. After remove the feed pump, use the driver shaft to remove the feed pump assembly and take the pump out of the vise and remove the feed pump assembly. Then that is feed pump assembly and the pump housing. After disassembling, you check if there is some parts is not in good condition and clean using the fuel diesel for cleaning. Pump housing. When you are doing disassembling and reassembling, you can know the gasket and seals can be replaced, the new one For avoid the leakage, after disassembling, we are going to see how to reassembling this distributor pump. After checking all components is in a good condition, you are going to see all procedures when you are doing reassembling distributor pump.